Hello, hello. Wow. It was. Well, I dropped my damn cigarette. I'm trying to quit anyway. I gotta work tonight and tomorrow, and then I'm off Saturday night, and then gotta work Sunday, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 6 days a week. Sucks. But this doesn't make any sense. I could make a video for 59 minutes and 2 seconds, but now I can only make a video for 58 minutes and 22 seconds. I'm really tired today. Hope y'all are feeling better than I am. I am trying to quit smoking. Day out here. It's raining. Been raining all night and all day. Well, drizzling. Feels good. The old trees. There's a Pokestop up there, and but I'm not walking on that main road up there. Nope. Wow, that's a really worry. Yeah, pretty trees, pretty sky. Rain, rain, rain. But y'all wish me luck tonight at work. And y'all have a good day. Peace.